dear friends, today we solve the unsolved problem which are given in the textbook. In that, the first problem where there are three EMFs or two EMFs are given with internal resistance 1 ohm and 1 ohm with its EMF is 4 volt and 1 volt. They are connected in a parallel with external resistance 2 ohm, and find out the total current through the external resistance. We had learned in this chapter, that is Kirchhoff's voltage law. According to that Kirchhoff's voltage law, algebraic sum of potential difference and the EMF of cell is equal to 0. Here that formula is given, summation of I R plus R is equal to E. That is total resistance. R is the external resistance and small r is the internal resistance. Here we consider first the loop A B C D E F A. In that, the total current by this EMF and this EMF, that is I1 plus I2, and resistance is 2. So we should write here summation 2 times I1 plus I2. This is the resistance, and total current is potential difference, that is twice I1 plus I2 plus, and here the internal resistance and current flowing through that, that is 1, that is I1 is equal to EMF, that is total EMF, that is 4 volt. Then when we can solve, multiply by 2 here, 2I1 plus twice I2 plus I1 is equal to 4, and we get 3I1 plus twice I2 is equal to 4. If we can concentrate on the second loop, in that loop BCDBE, in that again we consider this track, in that the twice I1 plus I2 plus I1 I2 is equal to 1. That means the total current flowing through this, that is I1 plus I2, and its potential difference through this, that is twice I1 plus I2, and resistance or potential difference through internal resistance, that is EMF IR, that is I is 1, and voltage, that is R1. So we should write here 1 I2 is equal to 1. Again we solve this equation, we should get twice I1 plus thrice I2 is equal to 1. Here this equation 1 and 2, first equation, that is equation number 1, when we can subtract it we can't get answer, and so we multiply this equation first by 3 and second equation by 2, then we should get here and subtracted, then the common terms are subtracted, we get 6I1 plus the 4I2 is equal to 8, and 6I1, that is 6I1 plus 3 3s are 9, I2 is equal to 3. Subtracted we get I2 is equal to minus 1. When we substitute these values in equation 1, this equation number is 1, in that equation I2 is equal to minus 1, we get 3I1 minus 2 is equal to 4, and 3I1 is equal to 6, I1 is equal to 2. Total current is the addition of this I1 and I2, so we write here I is equal to 2 minus 1, and total current flowing through this external resistance, it is given by 1 ampere. This is the answer. Again in this way, the next problem number 11, in that also there are two EMF, they are parallel to each other with EMF is 1.5 volt and 2 volt, and its internal resistance 1 ohm and 2 ohm, and external resistance is used 5 ohm. Then find out the total current through the external resistance. In that problem also we use, that is Kirchhoff's second law, and in that Kirchhoff's second law, that is summation of I R plus R is equal to E. And again we apply here the Kirchhoff's first law, in that A B C D E F A, this is the loop A B C D E F A, and we should take, that is 5 times total current, that is potential difference through this I and R is 5 and I is total I is I1 plus I2, so we write here I 5 times I1 plus I2 plus the here, that is potential difference is the product of resistance, internal resistance and the current, and so current is I1 and internal resistance is I. So we write here 1 I1 is equal to total EMF, that is 1.5 volt. Again we multiply here 5 I1 plus 5 I2 plus I1 is equal to 1.5. Add this to same I1, 6 I1 plus 5 I2 is equal to 1.5. Again we can concentrate on the second loop. In that second loop we write here the loop B C D E B. In that we get 5 times, that is total resistance, external resistance 5 and total current I1 I2. So 5 times I1 I2, and again here 2 times that is internal resistance 2 and current is I2, so twice I2 equal to twice EMF, total EMF is 2 volt and equal to 2. Multiply by 5 here, 5 I1 plus 5 I2 plus twice I2 is equal to 2. Again the same term are added, 5 I1 plus 7 I2 is equal to 2. Multiply by equation, we can't solve the equation directly, we multiply by here 5 and here 6, then the I1 R comes same, and when we subtract them, then we should get, that is here we multiply by equation 5, multiply by 5 by equation 1 and 6 to equation 2, then we get 30 I1 plus 25 I2 is equal to 7.5. Again 30 I1 plus 42 I2 is equal to 12. When we can subtract it, the second term at that time minus sign are changes here and they are minus sign. Here we get subtraction minus 17 I2 is equal to minus 4.5. The same term are there minus minus, so we write here plus and I2 is equal to 4.5 upon 17. Again substitute this I2 values in equation 1, that is here we write the value, that is 4.5 upon 17. 6 I1 plus 5 into 4.5 upon 17 is equal to 1.5. Again here multiplication is comes, that is 22.5 divided by 17. 6 I1 is equal to, this term goes here, it is subtracted, that is 15 minus 22.5 upon 17. Again cross multiplication here, that is 25.5. 17 multiplied by 1.5 we get 25.5 minus 22.5 upon 17. Again 6 I1 is equal to 3 upon 17. The subtraction is 3 and division is 17. Then I1 is equal to, again if this 6 is in the multiplication, it comes here, it goes division or denominator, and then we write here 102. 17 6 is 102. Again we divide the 3 in the numerator and denominator, we get 1 by 34. Here total current is I is equal to I1 plus I2. I1 is how much? 1 upon 34 and I2 is how much? 4.5 upon 17. Here again the base is not same, so we take cross multiplication here and multiplication in the denominator. Then we get 17 here and 153 in the denominator. Again multiplication of 17 multiplied by 34, we get 578. Here addition of 17 plus 153 is 170 upon 578, and when we give the division of 17 on the 17, 0 as it is, 17 3 is 51 and 17 4 is 68. Then we get 10 upon 34. Again 2 5s are 10 and 2 1s are 2 and remain 1, 2 4 7s are 14. That is 5 upon 17 ampere total current flowing through this external resistance. This is the answer. How much answer is? 5 by 17 ampere in the problem number 11. Again in the 12 number problem, there is external resistance is given, that is 30 ohm, and internal resistance is 10 ohm, and EMF is given to that voltmeter, that is 2 volt. What is the reading on that voltmeter? And so we first find the current. Current is nothing but the I is equal to E upon R plus R, that is 2 upon R is given how much? 30, and internal resistance 10. 30 plus 10, that is 40, and 40 2 divided by 40, that is 1 by 20. That is the current is given 1 by 20. Again we find out what will be the reading on the voltmeter, and voltmeter is nothing but V is equal to E minus IR, that E is 2 volt minus I is 1 upon 20 and the internal resistance that is 10. this 0 cancel, 1 by 2 is nothing but the 0.5, and 2 minus 0.5 we get the voltmeter reading or voltage in that condition V is equal to 1.5. We learn here 3 problems. Thank you.